The cubit is an ancient unit of length based on the length of the forearm from the elbow to the tip of the middle finger. Cubits of various lengths were employed in many parts of the world in antiquity, during the Middle Ages and as recently as early modern times. The term is still used in hedge laying, the length of the forearm being frequently used to determine the interval between stakes placed within the hedge. Other units of measure based on the length of the forearm include some kinds of L, the Indian Hasta, Khmer hat and Thai sock. Etymology: the English word cubit comes from the Latin noun cubitum elbow, from the verb cubo, cubere, cabui, cubitum to lie down, from which also comes the adjective recumbent. The Egyptian royal cubit. The earliest attested standard measure is from the ancient Egypt and was called the royal cubit. Early evidence for the use of the royal cubit comes from the early dynastic period. On the Palermo stone, the flood level of the Nile River during the reign of the pharaoh is given as measuring 6 cubits and 1 palm. Use of the royal cubit is also known from Old Kingdom architecture, from at least as early as the construction of the step pyramid of Giza in around 2700 BC. In ancient Egypt, cubit rods were used for the measurement of length. A number of these have survived. 2 are known from the tomb of Maya, the treasurer of Tutankhamun, in Saqqara. Another was found in the tomb of Ka in Thebes. 14 such rods, including one double cubit rod, were described and compared by Lepsius in 1865. These cubits range from 523 to 529 ohm in length, and are divided into 7 palms. Each palm is divided into 4 fingers and the fingers are further subdivided. The Sumerian or Nippur cubit. In 1916, during the last years of Ottoman Empire and in the middle of WWI, the German Assyriologist Ekhadunga found a copper alloy bar while excavating at Nippur. The bar dates from c. 2650 BCE and Dunga claimed it was used as a measurement standard. This irregularly formed and irregularly marked graduated rule supposedly defined the Sumerian cubit as about 518.6 ohm or 20.42 in. Near Eastern or Biblical cubit. In biblical exegesis, the Near Eastern or Biblical cubit is usually estimated as approximately 450 ohm or 18 in. Ancient Rome. In ancient Rome, according to Vitruvius, a cubit was made up of 6 palms and was thus equal to 1.5 Roman feet or peds. Other systems, other measurements based on the length of the forearm are the Indian Hasta and Thai sock. Cubit arm in heraldry. A cubit arm in heraldry may be dexter or sinister. It may be vested and may be shown in various positions, most commonly erect, but also facewise, bendwise and is often shown grasping objects. It is most often used erect as a crest, for example by the families of Poins of Iron Acton, Roll of Stevenstone and Turton. See also, Ancient Egyptian units of measurement, Ancient Mesopotamian units of measurement, Biblical and Talmudic units of measurement, L. History of measurement, System of measurement, Units of measurement, References. Bibliography, Arnold, Dieter. The Encyclopedia of Ancient Egyptian Architecture. Taurus. ISBN A1-86064-465-1 Petrie, Sir Flinders. Pyramids and Temples of Gizeh. External links. Media related to cubit arms at Wikimedia Commons, the dictionary definition of cubit at Wiktionary.